Picture this. It's a cold morning and you are waiting for your train at Roma station. Out of the blue, an all too familiar announcement echoes through the platform. Ladies and gentlemen, the train is delayed. There's a collective of groan and you think, oh, not again. But these delays aren't just frustrating. They highlight a bigger issue. Unfortunately, Brisbane has recently earned the title of having the worst public transport access in Australia. The major reason? Our trains. They are notorious for unexpected delays and unreliable services, which many of us have experienced. But why does it happen? Over time, with all trains running, weather changes, and ground movements, the shape of the railway tracks can get a bit disordered, forming small bumps or curves. They might seem minor, but they can cause big delays or even lead to trains going off the tracks, which would be a disaster. With thousands of kilometers of railway tracks across Queensland, checking every inch is no small feat. So how do we know which parts need attention? Welcome to the mesmerizing world of mathematical models, where data becomes a powerful guide. This is where my research comes in. I have developed a mathematical model that predicts which parts of the railway tracks need checking and when they should be done. But there is more. To stay ahead of potential breakdowns, we use smart and cool sensors on the train wheels. These sensors keep an eye on the tracks while a train is moving and update us on track conditions, much like how your GPS updates you on traffic. By combining these updates with my mathematical model, we can spot problems early and make timely fixes. This way, we can focus our efforts on the areas needing the most attention before they become safety hazards. Keeping our trains running smoothly is a big job. But with my innovative method, we can make a big difference. So, next time you take a more reliable and a smooth train ride, remember who's working behind the scenes to improve your travel experience. Mathematical models and passionate researchers like me.